so much to learn from the creatures on this earth. So much they can teach us if we would just see their worth. How can we own the land? How can we own the sky? And the wind and the rain? There are things that we just can't buy.
Conference of the birds, never falling. The conference of the birds, nature's calling. Conference of the birds, masters of the sky. The conference of the birds, hear their song. We've been waiting so long for the language of a song to take us to the shore where we belong. They can walk and swim and fly, they don't have to try. Right between the mountains and the sky, they can fly. Hear their song, see them fly, hear them sing. Information is everything. All for one for all. We can hear nature's call. Just call.